This life is short. The vanities of the world are transient. But they alone live who live for others. The rest are more dead than alive, said Swami Vivekananda, who certainly needs no introduction. Being inspired by the visionary ideals of Swamiji, the Swami Vivekananda Loka Sansad came into existence way back in 1989 in a remote village of Bhadrak district in Odisha. It gradually grew into a state-level organization in the year 2012 when the nation was celebrating the sesquicentennial birth anniversary of Swamiji. As a spiritually motivated service organization, Swami Vivekananda Loka Sansad is now having its presence in all the 30 districts of the state.
Hari Om. I pay my deep respect to all the learned members of Swami Vivekananda Loka Sansad. Ardently following the high ideals of Swami Vivekananda, our Sansad is moving to a new height to preserve and propagate Indian culture and heritage. Our intensive endeavor to uplift our culture, safeguard the environment, and encourage literary work will make us prosperous. Lord Jagannath will bless us to proceed ahead to reach our goal. Om Tat Sat.
Namaskar. Swami Vivekananda Loka Sansad is a people-centric organization which is presently functioning in all the 30 districts of Odisha. The organization has a simple approach to bring people together, promote teamwork, sustained teamwork for the felt need of our society. Swamiji remains as a guide and inspiration for us.
It basically works through 6 core areas in pursuance of the socially committed objectives. Vichardhara, the intellectual forum; Moga, a forum for rural empowerment that looks after health, education and community participation at the grassroots; Sahityaloka, a forum for literature and publication; Utkal Kala और संस्कृति प्रतिष्ठान, a forum for art and culture; Vivekananda Yuva Sanshad, a forum for mobilizing the youth; and Samparka Setu, a forum for managing communication and coordination.
आज वार्षिक उत्सव अवसर में आप समस्त अभिनंदन। देवी दुर्गा कौन की ये भी संगठन नामांतर मात्र। दुर्गति नाशन करने दुर्गांकर आविर्भाव होता। ये दुर्गा एक तेजपुंज भितर आविर्भूत होते। ये तेज देवता मानकर सामूहिक शक्तिर प्रतिफलन थिला। समस्त देवता माने निज निजर अस्त्र देते। एमती कि पशुकूल तांकर सर्वश्रेष्ठ पशु सिंह को वाहन रूप देता देवी दुर्गा को। ये देवी दुर्गा ही संगठन अन्य नाम, ये शक्तिर अन्य नाम। कलिजुगर शक्ति केवल संगठन भितर अच्छी। बारंबार कथा आमको कहुई जे संगठन द्वारा ही शक्ति संग्रह करा जाई पारे। आमे किछि वर्ष आगु छोटिया दीपटिए भली आमर संगठन को तैयारी करथिले। लक्ष्य महत थिला, लक्ष्य सुदूर प्रसारी थिला। आमे जो बाट चाली करी आसीचु तारि भितर आमे केते बाट पहुँचीचु आम तो प्रति मुहूर्त तर आकलन करूछंदी। तथापि स्वप्न जेते दूर अच्छी आमे बेसी बाटर पहुँची ना। तथापि जहा किछि हिची ताहा आनंदर एक पुलकर एक निदर्शन मात्र।
The operational structure of the organization is spread over 6 zones: East, West, North, South, Center, and one external division for people residing outside the state. The basic working pattern of the organization is based on the core involvement of each member.
नीतिशास्त्र विधिरपि उच्यते परोपकारस्य महत्व प्रसंगे परोपकाराय फलन्ति वृक्षाः परोपकाराय स्रवन्ति गावः परोपकाराय वहन्ति नद्यः परोपकाराय इदं शरीरम्। यद्यपि अस्माकम् आत्मा अलौकिकः अवाङ्मनसगोचरः अचिन्त्यः तथापि लोककल्याणार्थमेव उद्दिष्टः स्मर्यते भगवद्गीता वाणी यज्जत आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः सजत प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते एतस्य गीतावचनस्य तात्पर्यं पूज्य स्वामी विवेकानन्देन गभीरतया एव अनुभूतं तेन स्वजीवनमपि लोककल्याणार्थम् उत्सर्गीकृतम् अतः यमस्माकं स्वामी विवेकानन्द लोकसंसद लोककल्याणसम्पादनार्थम् एव प्रतिष्ठिता एतदेव महत् लक्ष्यं मनसि निधाय संसदः सर्वे सदस्याः स्वस्वकर्तव्यपथे अग्रसराः भवन्ति.
SVLS regularly organizes several events in agreement with its core objectives of achieving positive social changes. Such events include daily Pathachakras, seminars, workshops, and various awareness programs through both virtual and physical modes. Awakening with Bhagavad Gita has been one of the fascinating programs for the participants these days.
Flagship programs like Udbodhani, lectures in leading educational institutions, and Sabujayana, plantation initiatives across the state have been immensely promising.
Swami Vivekananda Lok Sansad is conducting various socio-cultural and educational programs since last several years, and Vichardhara is one such major program. Under this segment of Vichardhara, at present we are conducting 3 major programs, and one such program is Awakening with the Bhagavad Gita, which is being conducted every morning from 5:30 to 6:30. When the sun rises in the east, we also wake up with our program Awakening with the Bhagavad Gita, and around 70 people from different parts of the country, they participate actively in this program, and this is being conducted since last 5 years. Another major program is our E-Pathachakra, which is being conducted in all the 30 districts from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. every evening, and we are now focusing to impart the teachings of Swami Vivekananda among the universities and schools and colleges. Last year we conducted this Udbodhani program in various schools, universities and colleges, and the impact, the visible result was very inspiring. Students, they have actively participated, and this year also we have started this program.
Namaste. Swami Vivekananda Lok Sansad strives to make a significant difference to our society in consonance with the values and visions articulated by Swamiji. This organization adheres to its foundational principle of service, association, and progress, and it aspires to connect, create, and contribute in the larger social interest. That is to say, connecting to people, creating strength, and contributing to positive changes. Thank you.
ଜଣେ ସକ୍ରିୟ ସଦସ୍ୟ ହୋଇଥିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ନିଜକୁ ଧନ୍ୟ ମନେ କରେ। ଏହି ସଂଗଠନ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଜନଜୀବନକୁ ଆସନ୍ତା ଦିନମାନଙ୍କରେ ମହାର୍ଘ ରୀତିରେ ପ୍ରଭାବିତ କରିବ, ଏଥିରେ ଦ୍ୱିରୁକ୍ତିର ଅବକାଶ ନାହିଁ। ଶତାବ୍ଦୀ ଶତାବ୍ଦୀ ଧରି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଜୀବନଧାରାକୁ ପଙ୍ଗୁ କରି ରଖିଥିବା ନିଶ୍ଚେଷ୍ଟତା, ପରମୁଖାପେକ୍ଷିତା ଏବଂ କୁସଂସ୍କାରର ବହଳ ଅଳନ୍ଦୁକୁ ହଟେଇ ସାମାଜିକ ଉଦ୍ବର୍ତ୍ତନ ସୁନିଶ୍ଚିତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ବିବେକାନନ୍ଦ ଲୋକସଂସଦ ସତତ କ୍ରିୟାଶୀଳ। କାୟ ମନୋବାକ୍ୟରେ ସଦସ୍ୟଗଣ ଜାତି ଗଠନର ମହାନ ବ୍ରତକୁ ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳିତ ଓ ନିଷ୍ଠାପର ଭାବରେ ଆପଣେଇଲେ ଆଗାମୀ ପିଢ଼ିକୁ ଆମେ ଏକ ସୁଷ୍ଠୁ, ସଶକ୍ତ ଓ ମର୍ଯ୍ୟାଦା ସମ୍ପନ୍ନ ଜାତିର ମାନ୍ୟତା ଦେଇପାରିବା।
Rare opportunity to become a member of Swami Vivekananda Lok Sansad, and I attend the program punctually both in the morning and evening. The programs Awakening with Bhagavad Gita and the other 2 programs in the mornings teaches me the value of the great religious scripture like Gita, and the evening sessions also cover the different aspect of the districts relating to their culture and heritage.
Moreover, there are numerous events organized regularly by the various forums for the physical, moral, intellectual, spiritual, and professional upliftment.
Today, Swami Vivekananda Lok Sansad is having a large number of dedicated life members from various social fields,
including but not limited to education, culture, law, science, literature, management, industry, and media.
स्वामी विवेकानंद लोक संसद से मेरा परिचय गत वर्ष हुआ और उसके बाद अवेकनिंग विद भगवत गीता के माध्यम से मैंने पाया कि ये अपने देश के समस्त युवाओं को सनातन संस्कृति से एक बार पुनः जोड़ने का प्रयास कर रहा है। ये अक्सर पाया जाता है और बहुत दुख का विषय है कि हमारे देश की युवा पीढ़ी जो अंग्रेजी माध्यम स्कूलों में शिक्षा ग्रहण करती है वो अपने धर्म से और सनातन संस्कृति से धीरे धीरे दूर होती जा रही है। स्वामी विवेकानंद लोक संसद इस दिशा में बहुत अच्छा प्रयास कर रहा है। सरल संस्कृत तथा आत्मबोध के माध्यम से ये धर्म के विभिन्न अंगों से युवाओं को जोड़ रहा है और मेरी पूरी शुभकामनाएं हैं कि ये उड़ीसा में ही नहीं वरन पूरे देश में फैले, देश के विभिन्न प्रांतों में फैले और मैं शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ कि ये इसके साथ अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर भी देश के युवाओं को धर्म से जोड़ने का प्रयास करें।
SVLS believes in collective action and collective growth. It is still young but quite resolute to go a long way ahead. As Swamiji had said, few only know the truth, the rest will hate and laugh at thee, great one. But pay no heed, go thou the free from place to place and help them out of darkness, Maya's veil. Without the fear of pain or search for pleasure, go beyond them both sannyas and bold. Say Om Tat Sat Om.